More like Jesus gone.
Yes, so always and forever.
You don't say.
11 years or 12 years, yeah.
That 11 years ago you dropped this song. Right?
This
No,
was
this one far past that one.
yeah, this one 2008.
2008.
Yes.
That's nearly 15 years now.
Yes.
Yeah, nearly 14.
Small picking then.
14 years.
I see the soccer feeding bottle that time.
But hey, this song hold everybody for work that period.
To God be the glory.
He hold everybody for work, and then we thank God for everything as it take come. But then all of a sudden you just come out for the industry. You just leave the whole industry. What happened?
The industry is everywhere. No, the time has changed. That not be like that time where we say you have to restrict yourself to where you find yourself.
Yes.
Industry is everywhere. You can operate from anywhere. Thanks to social media.
Yes, so everywhere now, anywhere where anybody is, still
Yes,
represent
yes,
Nigeria,
yes.
still represent.
I found myself in a place where I just have to sort myself out first
Yeah.
before I can go back to music. But now this is the time.
Okay, so you leave music for nearly how many years now?
About let's say 10, 11 years.
You leave music for like 10, 11 years.
But music doesn't leave you.
No, music no feel leave person. We know all those things. No matter how small we be, it go still there your body. Okay, so you leave music for like that 10, 11 years.
Yes, sir.
You come out for Nigeria.
I left Nigeria.
You come out, you go Yankee.
Yeah, I come out. Like you said, yeah, I come out.
You jackpot. Now jackpot on a early time.
People wait jackpot. I left here with a work permit.
Okay.
So I didn't jackpot like that.
Okay, so
God has prepared that table before me in the presence of my well-wishers and the other people. So it wasn't like jackpot. But I never intended
to stay back.
Yes. So things happened. I found myself in the situation where I couldn't just come back like that.
You can't decide, say make you just see.
Yeah, okay, since it don't happen. Anywhere you see yourself, anywhere below face.
now you just face.
But with God, all things are possible. It's been really good.
So now you don't decide to finally come back to music with this particular one. How many singles you drop this time?
I have like 3.
3 where you drop. Okay, so like 3 singles now and I don't drop. And of course, how will they do on top all the platform? Because I know say they all the Boom Play, Spotify and all of them. He did everywhere. He did everywhere. But how will they do so far?
So far so good. This particular one, actually, I love it so much because this was recorded like about 3 years ago with ID Kabasa. This was done under 6 hours.
Okay, so you did Yankee.
Yes.
Kabasa the work here.
No. He
income.
He was visiting. He just called me and said, "Bro, I did town." I said, "Who is this?" He said, "Kabasa." I said, "Please, I don't like people messing with me." And I said, "You don't know my voice again." And he said he's going back tomorrow. I said, "Kabasa, you can't do that. You've been here for a few days and you just calling me now." I went to see him in less than 6-7 hours. I gave him the hook and that was it. He was the one that all the body of the song. He's a good writer.
Yeah.
He writes for me in this song. We just work together. And when I hear the final production, like anywhere my blessing is, Father, just take me there.
Take me there.
I released the song, and I wasn't the kind of response I was expecting. I wasn't getting it. And after like 2 years, I started hearing different versions of the song.
Yeah.
I said, okay, this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So, but it is what it is. I thank God for good people like you. And, people that have actually, you've been telling me, Dekunle, you need to be back in town.
You need to come because they know they shave man and Pete for in absence.
No, even
you must keep your plus head plus all of them. You need to date there, make them shave waiting and go shave.
Thank you for that free consultation. I appreciate it. Though.
All right, thanks, man. But then, how you go take rate our music now in the last 11 years?
Let me tell you something.
At least that time and now.
We are ruling. Anywhere you go abroad, if it's not Olamide, it is Whiskey. If it's not Whiskey, it is Davido. So you want to identify that.
Yes, I mean Nigeria person.
And now Burna Boy crowned it all with Grammy.
Yeah.
So honestly, we are doing very well. And we are changing that perception that people used to have about us. Oh, Nigeria, these are 419 people. But now they don't talk about all that anymore. Oh, Lamide.
Yes,
They even want to do, Buga.
Yes, Buga, yeah.
It's like sports now. We have taken over. And it's more rewarding now.
Yes. It's more
musicians
rewarding.
are living like Yahoo boys, but they are legit.
Yeah, then they legit.
So that's God has decided to reward the efforts of people that started this industry.
Yeah.
So I appreciate a lot of people. Someone like Baba Keke.
Yes.
People that actually make sure that this thing just have to work.
Yeah, but then, so what about collabos with these young guys? Then?
Actually, I'm talking to about a few people now, but that's like a cut. Let me keep it in my bag now.
Okay.
But I'm in touch. Cobams has really been wonderful.
Yeah, Cobams as usual.
Reach out to me, bro. What's going on? Even though he's a very busy man, moving, juggling things, work and family and all that. But I will work something out. Trust me, I don't run away from the ladder. I always keep my ladder that to myself, so that in case I need to climb it again. So obviously, Kabasa and I, there is no how we will not work.
Yeah, no how. I trust Kabasa. I trust Kabasa. All right, then when I hear all the etc. things, them Dekunle Fuji inside studio with me this morning. Dekunle Fuji, I happy say you come, and I hope so we'll go see you more.
No, I'm just a phone call away now.
Yes, so I hope so we'll go see you more, and then
just a phone call away.
We expect to see more of you,
yes.
And then you don't go too far from house. 11 years too much, but now where you don't come back.
Yes, back home.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Make you just freestyle something for us. Just freestyle something for us.
Ìlú tán ò mọba, Jésù fún wọn lọ́ba. Ìlú tán ò níjòyè, bàbá fún wọn lóyè. Dékúnlé ìlú tán ò mọ̀ mí rí o, Jésù mú mi débẹ̀ o. Wọn ò mọ̀ mí l'Amẹ́ríkà, bàbá gbé mi débẹ̀ gan. Wọn ò mọ̀ mí nílùú London, èmi ń jayé ọlọ́ba nílùú London lọ́wọ́. Thank you so much. Mo ṣe like Jésù gan.
Thank you. Wow, obvious. She like it, just I wanna more. Thank you so much, Dekunle Fuji.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I'd like to appreciate Wazobia, Cool FM. You guys are flying really high out there. You don't even know what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you.
We truly appreciate this, and we truly appreciate this.
Download the Wazobia FM app. Chai, you didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.